Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Hey, what's up guys? So I want to show you how to post videos on YouTube and make a lot of money, even up to like $21,000 every single month. And I'm going to show you it very quickly in this video. And you don't have to show your face, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to even talk into the microphone in order for this to work. So make sure you stick on this video and just give me 5 minutes of your time, and I promise that'll be very much worth it. And I'm going to show you this one channel on the left right here. So it's making anywhere from like $1,000 or up to $13,000 every single day. You can see like the daily right here is anywhere from 1.5K to 13,000, and then the monthly right here is literally up to $416,000, which is really high, right? Even if it's not a person. And this channel right here is making like anywhere from $200 to $2,000, and per month he's making $7,000 to $60,000 every single month. So I'm going to show you these channels right now. So here's the first channel that was making the least amount of money. It's called Meditation Relax Club, and you can see that they are literally posting videos like this every single day. There are like 2 hours long, 1 hour long clips right here of 3D effect nature sounds and relaxing deep brain stimulation, summer solace, and it's all like these bird noises that chirping in the background, or even like rain. Some of the videos that get rain, like rain sound for 10 hours, get so many views, guys, and I'm gonna show you how to make that in just a second. Now the next video that I'm actually gonna highly recommend you check out is Yellow Brick Cinema, and I actually checked this channel out a couple of weeks ago, and now and that was before they did this. Now they're actually doing live streams. So if you just check right here, they are doing 18 live streams right now, and that's why they're making up to, like, for example, like we checked out here, up to $400,000 every single month doing this strategy. And I think most of that actually comes from live stream, because YouTube is promoting live streams really heavily right now. You can actually see that people are looking at these like 200 right here, and if we go to the top, like 600, 700. This one has almost 4,000 viewers watching right now. Isn't that awesome? So I'm gonna actually show you exactly how to make a video like this right now. So the first website you gotta go to is soundj.com, rain sound effect, and here you can literally see that they have all these different rain sound effects. Now this is a little warning that you're allowed to use the sounds on our website free of charge and royalty free in your project, but you are not allowed to post these sounds on any website for others to download. All right, so that's very important that you just have it on your YouTube channel and YouTube videos. But just have a listen to these right now. That's rain sound effect 1. That's rain sound effect 2. Are you getting relaxed? Leave a like on this video if you're starting to get relaxed by these rain sounds. So literally all you have to do is to download the MP3 file by just clicking right here. So you can see that it's downloading in the bottom left corner right here. Now what you want to do is actually go over to this website, pexels.com, and you want to go in here and you want to search for rain. So we're just going to search for that, and then we're actually going to do this. We're going to click on videos right here. So we want to make sure that we have a rain video. So this one, you can see a preview. I think that looks pretty calming. This one, I don't know, I don't really feel relaxed with this one. Maybe we could do something like this that has even the leaves in the foreground. That looks very relaxing. I think we're gonna actually take this one. So the Pixabay has a ton of royalty-free images, and they're free to use and free to download. So just literally click on free download right here, and you can see that we have a failed server problem. What? Stop it, man. Okay, I just literally clicked on it again, and now we actually have the MP4 file. So now I'm going to show you how to put this all together, and if you want me to do that, please tell me in the comment down below, I want free software, and I'm going to show you that right now. But before that, please leave a like and also subscribe to this channel, because if you don't, we'll never fly to Mexico and buy tacos and listen to and dance like your Mexican people. And you always talk about how much you want to do that. So if you don't slap the subscribe, smash the like button, that'll never happen. Also, remember to comment down below. Tell me what you think of this video. I hope you are relaxed, having a good time. And I know that times are a little bit stressed right now, and it's nice to watch this video and just relax a little bit. This is not hard. I fully believe that you can make videos like this and actually make a lot of money from it. So I'm going to show you the software right now. It's called DaVinci Resolve 16. So it's pretty much as good as Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, but they actually just released a free version that you can download that literally has everything that you need in order to make a really, really high quality studio grade video. And that doesn't mean that it's hard, right? This is very easy to do. So this is free. You can just literally click download now, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So I'm going to open it up. So here we can see that I've actually made a couple of different projects, but we're just going to click on new project down here. We can call it Rain 1 hour, and then just click on create. And now we need to have our media. So we're going to go back and actually just drag the video over to DaVinci Resolve, and then we're going to plop it right in here. And then we're actually going to click on change, because we want to change the video to the actual template right here. And as you can see, we literally have a about 40-second long video right here. So we're just going to click on the lock icon right here, and then we're going to click on the audio file, or hold Alt and then click on the audio file and then click delete. So now we just have this with no audio, just like that. And now we're going to go back again, and we're going to have the Rain MP3 file, pull that over to DaVinci Resolve and drag it right into the media pool. So as you can see right here, the rain is just right here, and you can see that it lasts like this almost for 1 minute. Now you might see a problem right here, that it's zooming in. And if we are going to just drag this over right here and just copy it, it will just bump back out. So it will literally go from this to this, and we don't want these like heavy cuts. So what we're going to do is actually reverse, so it zooms in and then it zooms out again, and in and out. That's also a very relaxing thing to happen in the video, you know. So what you're going to do is go down here, just right click on it, and then we're going to click on change clip speed and just click on reverse speed, and then click on change. So what's going to happen now is that this will zoom in, and then we'll zoom out again, zoom out. And if we copy both these now, it's just going to zoom in, zoom out, zoom in for an hour. Now, how are we going to do this for an hour? Well, we first have to do it with the actual video. So we're going to just click on that, copy with Control C, and then we're going to place our cursor right here, and then just place another one, another one, another one, just for an hour. So we're up to 20 minutes right now, 30 minutes, and just like that, we are at an hour right here. Now, how are we going to do this with the audio? Because you might see that if we just open this a little bit more, you can see like it tapers off right here, and we don't want it to be like silent. We want it to be like a constant white noise in the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold Alt, and then we're going to click on this one, and then we're going to copy with Control C and then Control V, and then we're going to actually put it on a new layer. So we just drag it down and place it on its own layer. Now we want to zoom in, and we want this to go from like this tight spot right here to this big spot right here. If I'm just gonna open it like that, so it's not gonna change the audio a lot. Let's see how this transition works. Yeah, you didn't even hear that it was two different clips. So that's perfect. We're gonna basically copy and paste these, and we're gonna have the cursor right here, and then we're gonna do that again. So we have to do it right here as well. Just like that, we have the perfect transition, and now we can pretty much copy and paste these. So just take this one, and then we're gonna just have this cursor and then push back, shift and arrow back, and there we can just continue going like this, copy and pasting for an hour. Just like that, we have the entire thing all completed. So now we're just gonna delete this last one, or we can have it here and then we can cut it off at exactly 1 hour. And then we can just click on this, and you see this top thing right here. Just go like this for a little bit, and that will fade out the audio, so it like smooths out. We can also do this with a video, so now it will be blacker and blacker once we hit like an hour. Pretty cool, right? So now you literally made the entire video from start to finish, and it looks like this. All you have to do now is click on the end and then click on O. So this will make basically this the section that we want to render out, which is make a video. So now all you have to do is go to the top, click on File, and then we're going to click on Quick Export. And what we're going to do is literally just click on YouTube, and then once you sign in, you can publish directly to your YouTube channel, which is a really easy and quick way to just upload it directly to YouTube. You just click on export right here, and it's going to be on your YouTube channel. Now I have a couple of tips for you if you're going to start a YouTube channel like this. And the number one tip I recommend for everybody is to actually go down and look at their most popular videos. So what you want to do is that you want to go and sort by most popular, and you want to see what videos of theirs got a lot of views, because it basically tells you what the market is interested in. It's kind of like when the iPhone launched and smartphones with, you know, glass screens. If you would not go, and if the competitors would still do like Nokia, old Nokia phones with snakes on it, they wouldn't be around. Everybody changed to the new smartphone. And what you want to do is you literally want to look at trends. You want to look at what the competition is doing, because it already shows what the audience wants. So you want to do videos similar to these. Obviously, you don't want to copy their titles. You don't want to copy their images and their audios. You want to make it similar, and that's going to give you the greatest results. So now you know that the meditation knits gets a ton of views, and it also makes a ton of money, right? And you also know how to use DaVinci Resolve to literally make this video right here pretty easily, right?